Okay.
Good morning, friends. Thank you for joining us. This is a fun activity that I want you guys to start at home. We're using very basic home supplies. Sorry. Just something fun. We're gonna use paper plates. We went ahead and used the thick Dixie type, but whatever you have at home is fine. We're using crayons and something called acrylic matte paint. It's we're gonna go with black today. It's gonna be really neat. So I'm gonna show you I'm gonna get started, and hopefully you guys get the idea of what we're doing. So just whatever you like. You can choose your colors, you can choose designs, if you want to make circles, if you want to make lines, whatever you want to do. It's a free will. So I'm just gonna show you a brief example of what we're doing today. I hope you guys have fun. I hope you guys are staying safe at home, washing hands, and I hope you guys enjoy the videos. I haven't really seen many comments, but I know most of you have tried them. I really hope that you guys are having fun and that parents are enjoying this time with the children. We miss you guys all. Miss Gabby stepped out for a bit, but she misses you also. So this is kind of what I'm gonna show you at the beginning. It's all just crayons. So I'm making lines. It's just whatever you want to make. You can draw pictures on it or whatever you're gonna use. So once parents, please pay attention. Once the children have or yourself have completed the coloring section, we're gonna go ahead and add the paint. So I'm gonna go ahead and skip that part and show you the result, just to see what we're looking for here. So here we have the finished. Once the paint is dried off, of course, you're gonna take anything you have, a toothpick, a fork, anything you'd like, and you're basically gonna scratch off the black paint. So you can make really neat designs, whatever you're looking for. You can put your name on it. You can make flowers. So this is kind of what we're looking for. Is just something fun for you to have maybe on your wall, on the fridge, and it all starts with paper plate and crayons. Thank you all for joining, and I hope to see the comments. I hope to see you guys working on it, and I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Thank you.